Hi guys, and welcome back to Shelly's Homemade. And today guys, we're going to be making mozzarella sticks. Now you know football season is upon us, and what better than some mozzarella sticks, homemade mozzarella sticks at that. They're going to be so tasty. You're going to enjoy them. You're going to see how easy it is to make. You're not going to want to go buy them from fast food joint again. I'm telling you. Alright, so let's get into these ingredients. So you're just going to need some Shelly's house seasoning, which is salt, pepper, seasoning, garlic, onion powder. Use whatever all-purpose seasoning or house seasoning you have. That's mine. That's what I like to use. That's what it is. I have some plain flour here. All-purpose flour. Alright? Alright, it's a half a cup. I have 2 eggs. And I have 1 cup of breadcrumbs right here in this. I have some string cheese, and that is mozzarella. So string cheese, mozzarella. So look at that, mozzarella cheese. There's 12 sticks in here. We're gonna cut it in half. It's gonna be it's gonna be what it is. All right. All right. So let's just cut our mozzarella sticks in half. Our string cheese. And they come like this. So you just tear them apart. And you can just open them just like this. Just like this. And you just cut them in half. There you go. Or you can leave them whole and eat them long just like this, but I'm going to cut mine in half. You do whatever makes you happy. I have some oil heating up in a pan. Alright, so I'm going to keep on pulling these things apart. Just like this. I'm going to do another one for you. Get rid of that. Let's hold them beside each other and cut it. Delicious mozzarella sticks, guys. Look at that. So just cut it in half the way you think a half is. Like this. Right in half. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to keep on cutting these up, and I'll be back. Okay, so we got 2 eggs here beaten. We got my Shelly's house seasoning. I'm just going to put it in everything. That's just what I like to do. Now, you do it the traditional way and don't put it in the flour and then mix that around. Put my hand in there and mix it around. And only put it in the egg mixture and then the breadcrumbs. That's fine, because you know it does have salt already. And you just flour these just like so, and move it in the egg mixture like this. Put it back in the flour. Put it in back in the egg mixture. Now put it in the breadcrumb. Just like that. Flour. Now I know I'm supposed to just use 2 hands, dry and wet. But no. Roll it around. And I'm gonna do 3 at a time. You can do whatever. Back. In the flour. Back in the egg. Don't want to get your hand messy. Put some gloves on. So I'm going to keep on dredging these. Probably use some tongs or a fork. So I'm going to keep on dredging these, and when I come back, we're going to move. I'm going to show you what they look like, and then we're going to move to the stove. Alright, so this is what they look like. This is the finished, battered things, mozzarella sticks. So let's move over to the stove so we can get this cooked up. Alright, so we got our hot grease here. Nice and hot. Yeah, hot, hot, hot. Alright, so I have my little basket thing. I'm just going to pile some right on there. Like so. Get it down in there. And gently load it down in there. You can do a whole bunch. Not too many. I'm going to crowd the pan because we're frying. And this will help that batter stick. By doing it this way, I'm going to add a couple more. There we go. And we're just going to let that fry up. And I'm going to fry all of these up, guys. And when I come back, I'm just going to show you guys the final product. And I'll be back. Okay, guys. So look at this. Really easy mozzarella sticks. Don't they look delicious? You got the cheese running out of them, crispy bits. And we got some marinara sauce from the jar that I just pulled right into the bowl. Nothing heavy about it. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh, people. Y'all gotta try. Woo! These look good. All my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. You know saying how easy it was to make them? Oh my goodness gracious. Let me know in the comment section, have you guys ever made your own mozzarella sticks? And if so, let me know. How did they turn out? All of that good stuff. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. And as always, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next... Well, hold on. Before I see you in the next video. Wouldn't this be great for your next Super Bowl party? Your next football event? When all your friends come over to watch football, Sunday night football with you guys? I'm telling you, if you put something out for your husband, because he loves football and you don't like it, this is great. It's one of these great football dishes. Alright guys, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video.